Hello, and it's Barry Joyce again, and I'm over on my dashboard on the Litecoin AutoMining.com. Now, exactly this time last week, I done a video to show you proof of my live withdrawal, and the video for that can be found in the link below. So what I'm now going to do is 7 days later, I'm just going to do another withdrawal. So if you wanted to set up an account, it's just a free account. You don't have to purchase any miners as yet. Everything, it's all explained in the link in the video from the one I done last week. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see on my dashboard there, my balance is $111. I'm now going to just go over to my your miners, and again, just follow on from the video from last week. If you have a look at me plans, look. So my 10-day plan, I did invest a small $10, which I'm going to do again, actually, with the money left that I don't withdraw today. So that is expired. Now, I also made a $30 plan. That expires in 23 days. Now, as you can see there, the total profit, yes, it's not a great deal, of course it's not, but it's only $30. But we do have the 23 days left. Now, the one that I deposited in for 300, or just over $310. The total profit is 289. So I've already nearly got my seed money back on that, and I still have 12 days left. So that is the miner there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to overview, go back to there. So I'm going to go back to my balance, and then I'm going to make a withdrawal. So I've got, it's gone up since I've shot this video, so my daily profits have gone in there. It's now up to 128. So what I was going to do, I wish that was 230 because I would have bought another 31, but I'll not, I'll just leave it. I'm going to withdraw. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to withdraw Litecoin again. If you want to set this up, watch the video below. Let's have a look. I'm just going to do $100 again, like I did last week. So I'm going to make the withdrawal to the $100. Okay, and then that's simply it. Then I'm just going to click request. So there's the confirmation there. Look, so $100 at the moment of this the time of this video, sorry, the price of Litecoin, that is equivalent to just 1.5 Litecoin. So all I'm going to do is just click confirm. And that is just confirming there. And then what will happen, they will automatically email you your receipt. So there you go, withdrawal has been successfully sent to your Bitcoin. It says Bitcoin address there, but it is the Litecoin. If you followed the video from last week, it will go into my Litecoin address, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Now, I'm just getting a notification on my email already, so I'm going to head over to my email. As you can see there, look, there's the withdrawal request. So take note there of the time. So it's Saturday, the 2nd of September, and it's 07:53 hours in the morning, Saturday morning. So what I'm going to do is go back and then just click on the other one, look there. So a minute later, they've sent another one just to say that $100 has been successfully sent to the Litecoin address. Again, please take note, 2nd of September, 07:53. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, because it'll, depending on the speed of the blockchain, it could take, it could take a little while, but last week's, it only took a few moments. So what I'm going to do is just pause the video, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'll show you the deposit, and I will also receive it in the email from Binance. That's where I'm sending it to, into Binance, and I'll show you that once it's hit my Binance. Okay guys, that is the deposit now confirmed over in my Binance. Now, as you can see, the time there, look, it's only taken 4 minutes. to reach my Binance account. So all it's going to do is just open the email, and there we go. Look, that's telling us now that the Litecoin deposit has been successful. So 1.5 Litecoin has successfully gone into my Binance. So let's just head over to my Binance and let's just have a look over there, because I haven't checked it as yet. So there's a notification. So I'm just going to go down to the notification. Look, there we go. Oops. Successfully deposited. So just click on that, look. And there we go. At 07:57, 1.8 successfully gone to my Binance. Just view on more. So as you can see, look, there is the deposit. So again, it's on the 2nd of September. And look, there was last week's, the 26th of August. There's the Litecoin. So last week we withdrew, last week's the 23rd, we withdrew 1.6. This week 1.5. So there we go. Look, there's all of the takes ID, etc. So that is done. So that is now over in my Binance. So that successfully withdrew within 4 minutes again. So I'm heading back over now to my dashboard in the miner. And if, well, I don't have to refresh. Look, there's the balance there of 28. But let me just try and refresh. Actually, it's 29. What I'm going to do, I might as well just wait, sensibly wait here, and just let that mount up to $30, and then I'm going to buy another miner for $30. So I will supersede my contract there. So I'm just going to pause it. It shouldn't take too long, and let that reach the $30. Okay guys, I'm back, and I do apologise. I let it run for a little bit more than a few moments. I actually let it run for nearly 24 hours because I did get sidetracked and did something else. But I'm back here now. As you can see, it's gone up to $48. So I'm still going to do the same. I'm just going to repurchase and purchase another $30 mining contract. So all I'm going to do is just go to speed up miner. I'm going to go to the contract there. Remember, I've already got one of these which runs out very soon, but I'm going to pay another one and purchase another one. So, you know, your daily returns is 135. It all helps. Not a great deal, but it helps. It will all build up. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to deposit from my internal. As you can see there, I've got the balance of my Litecoin. Send. And there we go. Look, there's another contract. So progress. And that is successfully done. So now I've got another contract for $30. So what I'll do is if I go to my miners, let me have a look then. So this one, let me see, not that one, it's not that one. These are expired. Oh, this one there expires. So that is my other 30-day one. So that expires in 21 days. This has got 11 days left. So the $300 one has got 11 days left. And where's the one I've just purchased? It must be up the top, is it? Oh, there it is. Look, it's underneath the 30-day one. So how did I miss that? So there's the one that runs out in 21 days. And this one I've just purchased there. I've got 30 days to run on that. So that is it. So that is it, guys. So that is my Litecoin Auto Mining. It's working really good for me. I've got my money, me money back, or me seed money that I've purchased. So everything I'm just reinvesting now or taking out is pure profit. So again, like I said, this is not financial advice. If you'd like to sign up for a free account, you can just have a look around. It doesn't cost anything. You're not under any obligation to purchase. And if you want to, just make a small purchase of $10. Try it out, see how it is. If you have any questions, then feel free to reach out to me, and the link below will get you a free account.